Welcome to the show, guys. We have an 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. This is the blue. Very interesting. Tubbed, yep. Hot Wheels. Nice design. You can see the engine right through that clear hood scoop. Really sharp, really sharp. Split spoiler. You can see the roll bar, the parachute. Really, really nice. I know I have two others. I think it's a pink one and a white one. I didn't have this one. I would have done them all at one time if I had them all at the same time. But anyways, what do you think of that? And this is Drag Strip 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe.